Good morning, children. Today I am here to discuss about the transports. Various types of transports are there. From the very beginning of civilization, man has been traveling from one place to another for various purposes. Now, to travel and to carry materials of goods from one place to another, different modes of transport are used. Good evening, children. Now see, I am sitting in a rickshaw and this uncle is a rickshaw driver. Okay, I am just getting down from the rickshaw. This is also a kind of transport. Okay, it is only not more than two. Only two people can move from one place to another through this rickshaw, and he is a rickshaw driver. Okay. Now I like to discuss about roadways. Every country has a network of roads. However, the extent of the roadways differs from country to country. In towns and cities, buses, cars, scooters, motorbikes, bicycles, etc. are used for traveling on roads. Roads in all countries are almost alike. They are constructed with concrete, stones or tarpaul. Now this is the one-way traffic. Okay, only from one side the bus or car can move from only one side, and the cars or buses which are coming from the other side, that are used in the next road. So the road has becomes wide day by day due to the increase in the number of transport. Now I like to discuss about railways. Railways is a safer land transport mode than roadways. It contributes greatly to the development of a country. Now by train we can travel to any part within and in some cases outside the country comfortably, economically and safely. By goods trains, raw materials, minerals and finished products can be transported with ease. To carry both passengers and goods from one place to another by train, rail tracks are laid. They are made of iron and are very strong. The trains run on them carrying people and goods. Now children, we will discuss about metro rail, and we all very know about the metro rail. Metro corridors have been made underground, on the ground and partly elevated. Metro runs throughout the city all day. The commuting has been made smooth and easy for the common man. The stations of metro rails are organized and systematic. Now children, we will discuss about waterways. Since ancient times, water sources like rivers and lakes have been used for carrying people and goods by boats. Gradually, the system of traveling and transporting goods over water developed. Presently, people not only ply over river and lakes waters but also the sea and ocean waters. The same is true for goods as well. This has become possible due to ships. Ships are huge in size and can carry hundreds of people at a time. The ships used for transporting goods are called cargo ships, and the ships which carry people are called passenger ships. Children, now we left about the airways. The most modern mode of transport is air transport. It is the quickest and costliest mode of transport. Almost every country has hundreds of aeroplanes under the state-owned airways company, which provides air service to various countries. The state-owned airways company of India is Air India. It provides services to about 21 countries.